Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the remaining part of the lesson, Art and Culture, Part 2. So the shopping list mystery. So what is mystery? Already you know that it's a mystery is defined as a something that is a secret where there is no clear explanation or unsolved cases. So in film dealing with the bustling crime, especially the murder case, like this here is a robbery case, is a mystery. The shopping list mystery. So this lesson was written by Asha Nehemiah. Let's see the characters. Sandeep, he was a 14 years old boy who loves for playing violin. So whenever he picked up his violin, he was lost to the world. Next, Mr. Raghavan is the father of Raghavan, was an accountant in a bank. Next, Mrs. Raghavan, Sandeep's mother, who works as a manager in a bank. His father also bank accountant. Next, Gayatri, so Sandeep's older sister. So Sandeep's older sister had won the Mathematician of Year award at the school 2-year rose in Bra. Next, Uncle Shegar. Shegar, Sandeep's uncle. So Uncle Shegar wanted to take him to the criminologist conference. Yes, so he wanted to take a criminologist conference. He had come to the Chennai and he gave the good opportunities. Yes, students, Mrs. Raghavan found a mathematician. She did not know that Isaac Newton, who specialized in the algebra and differential columns, couldn't keep simple account and the total of figures. So Sandeep liked Uncle Shegar because he always supported him, even though his mother did not encourage his interest in music. Shegar was going to interview Antoni Saccherini, the famous Italian violinist. He had offered Sandeep to join him at the criminologist conference. So where they would go to meet Antonio Saccherini. So this is the Les Capuchinos jewelry stores, one of the famous jewelry store in Brazil. So here is a robber. Here is a robber of some diamonds and jewelers. It's a cryptography department. Cryptography is the science of reading and message written in code. It's a secret code, hidden code. They use the secret codes they could know only. Belgium police began following her. There is a Jane Egmont. She's a suspicious of Jane Egmont. The Belgian police begin to following her where she is going, where she is went. So finally they found the shopping list mystery. The shopping list. There is no clear explanation. There is a code. There was used to the code. So the grocery store owner and the Jane Egmont, both of them were arrested by the police. So that is the last scene. And next remaining part, the remaining scenes of the lessons. Let's see the remaining part of the lesson, the shopping list mystery part 2. Yes, here last he had offered the Sandeep to join him at the criminologist conference where they would go to meet the Antonio Saccherini. So what happened? So Sandeep was very excited because he had understood the code. So what is that? What will happen? Let's see. So the Belgian policeman switched on the slide projector. Click. So what is mean projector? Projector means is a machine that images into the screen or wall. Did you see the projector? Have you seen? Let's see the projector. This is the projector. So click. So when the projector has showed the photographs of the store and Jane Egmont. He also showed the copies of the shopping list written in a small sloping letters. The final slide showed the items found in her car. at the time of arrest, including a child's school bag and a folder with some sheets of music in it. Often, Jane Ekman would drop her daughter for her piano lessons. So, Jane Ekman's daughter's going to piano lesson class. So, before she went to the shopping, the last slide remained on screen for some time as the Belgian policeman explained all the methods they had used to the break shopping list. The code including using the advanced computers and even getting a visiting expert from the France. Yes, here the suspicious use the secret codes in the Nutcracker sheet. It's a musical note. So the code was created by inserting a few notes into the original sheet of music. These were not part of the melody. So they showed the shopping list on the projectors. So click one by one slide. So her Jane Ekman's daughter and daughter's back and dropping the cars, and they found the one letter or notebooks, everything. Since there was no proof that Jane Ekman was guilty, she was released, and most unfortunately, we could not round up the thieves. Either, concluded the policeman. Though Sandeep enjoyed hearing about the shopping list mystery, a strange restlessness nagged. So, what is the meaning nagged? Nagged means it's a constantly and bothered, constantly bothered. In Signor Sacharini's hotel suite, eating a splendid dinner along with his uncle, Sandeep's mind was not on the food, or even on the famous violinist. His mind kept going over the events of evening. Yes, the suite. Here, suite means is the set of rooms in the hotel or other buildings. So they were talking about the mystery. So eating the splendid dinner along with his uncle. Sandeep's mind was not on the food. So he's thinking only. His mind kept going over the event of the evening. He was deep in thought when suddenly he heard his name being mentioned. My nephew is a keen violinist, Uncle Shekhar was saying. So Uncle Shekhar stand up and said his name. His nephew is a violinist, his Uncle Shekhar says. So Sandeep and his uncle enjoyed a splendid dinner. Was Sacharini in his hotel seat? They were enjoying, but Sandeep was not concentrate on eating. Okay, so the young violinist, the remarked Sacharini, perhaps he would like to ask me a few questions too. Sandeep was totally unprepared. Signor Sacharini, I wanted to ask you whether, and then in flash, everything became clear to him. I wanted to ask you about the Nutcracker sheet. So, as students, you are seeing the Nutcracker sheet is a musical note. It is a musical symbols given the you are seeing the pictures is a Nutcracker sheet. He explained. But this is the Maharaja seat, not the Nutcracker seat, said Uncle Sagar, and puzzled by his response. I think he is a little nervous, he apologized. So the Sandeep replied, I am not nervous. Sandeep was indignant. Here, indignant means is angry. It's became angry. The mystery about the shopping list code lies in the sheet of music and not the shopping list. Not in the shopping list. Let's see what will happen. Yes, students, you are seeing the picture of Nutcracker sheet. There is a Nutcracker sheet, the musical notes. So the code was created by inserting a few notes into the original sheet of music. These were not a part of melody, and the insert spelled out the names and address of the customers who was going to be robbed. Here, they inserted the secret codes. So, what nonsense are you talking? Sandeep said. Uncle said. What nonsense are you talking, Sandeep? Uncle said. Visibly impressed. So, no, Anthony Sachalini intervened. Intervented means is interpreted. That means is குறுக்கிடுதல், interrupted. So violinist never talk rubbish. The only thing, like almost as much as my music is good mystery. Tell me all about this mysterious shopping list, young man. So Sandeep told Senior Sacharini. Here, Senior means is Mr. or Sir, as referred to that the Senior in Italic words, Italian speaking, as best as he could. What other find difficult we musician find easily, said the violin maestro. Here, maestro means a skilled and well-known musician or conductor. So they will know. They would know, well known about the musical notes. So, according to the musical notes, they are going to play the violin and read. That is the reading. Going to read. So, why, Mr. Subramaniam? I think you must contact the Belgian policeman at once. Shekhar Subramaniam had no option but to the agree. I'm coming along. I don't want to miss the fun, said Sinner Sacharini. Picking up his violin, the policeman looked doubtful when he heard the story, but when someone famous as Antonio Sacharini was insisting him, he thought he would better agree to project one of his slides onto the wall of the hotel room. So they're going to play. So, yes, students, the that boy is going to play the music. They are going to play the music on seeing the nutcracker sheet. That is a musical note. Can you see it? Can you see it? What I mean, said Sandeep excitedly, as the slide was shown on the wall. But of course, go ahead and show them. Senior Sacharini urged him. So, offering him his violin, Sandeep took the instrument and explained. The piece of music you see on the slide is taken from the Tchaikovsky's. Tchaikovsky's is a nutcracker sheet. This is how it is originally goes. And he played it from memory. Uncle Shekhar thought he had never heard his nephew play so well. So now let me play the music as it is written in the musical sheet. So the result was totally cacophony. The music is not pleasant. So the cacophony means is a cracker sound, unpleasant sound. Cacophony means is a mix of loud or unpleasant sound. So according to play the musical note given in the slide. Yes, that is that. So the code was created by the inserting a few notes into the original sheet of music. These were not a part of melody. So and instead of spelled out the name and address of the customer who was going to be robbed. That is the musical note they used. So Sandeep he had understood that code hidden in the sheet of music. So it's an unpleasant sound according given in the music sheet. Sandeep read the names of the musician is a musical note appearing on the slides. A, B, C, sharp, D, A, D, A, G, A, F, E, A, B, C, 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 E. So I have got it, shouted the policeman in delight at the time. Ada Gafia is one of the wealthiest women in the Brazil. She lives on the Rue de Baxi. Rue de Baxi. She was robbed at the gunpoint. Yes. So they were going to, that is the name. Instead spelled out the names and address of the customers who was going to be robbed. So that is the famous wealthiest woman. That is the name is Ada Gafia and address Rudy Baxasis. Baxasis. She was robbed. She was robbed at the gunpoint. It's a robbery case. Okay, it's a gunpoint.